Hey everyone, Gil here at Camppatton Family Compound. Well, I'm out in the shop and I was getting ready to bring the Christmas tree inside, and then I realized something. I don't have the stand here for it. Now, it's not really a stand, it's more like a pedestal. What we do is we have the tree set up, and we have the G-scale trains running around underneath it. Well, we replaced, this is the old tree we had. We got a new one 2-3 years ago in California, and the pedestal's still there for that one, so the wife and the boys can raise it up so that they can put the G-scale trains, the big trains, around underneath it. Well, I don't have that here, so I want to get this set up so I can run the G-scale trains that I brought up here last year to run around it for the grandkids. So I'm going to make a stand for it. So let's go over here and we'll get set up to do that. I've got 2 of these 24-inch tabletops from Lowe's, and what I need to do is I need to make a 6-inch spacer to go between the 2 of them and then nail it together, and then that'll sit there as the platform pedestal for the for the tree to be on. Got my 4 boards here. Let's go put it together. All right, so basically, this set up there. This one here will go there. This one here will go here. And this one here will go here. There we go. Lines all match up. So now I just need to put it together. Unfortunately, I only have 1.25 inches. That won't go through. I didn't get any 2 inches today like I should have. So I'm just going to go grab my screwdriver, and we're going to put a screw in here, and then we'll set it up underneath the thing and tack it together. All right. Actually, okay. Some of this board has a slight cup to it, so I'm going to put the cup in so when the screw goes in the middle, it pulls it in tight against it. So go ahead and just start it this way a little bit, get it started. Sometimes all right, there we go. There's my box. Now, let me do it this way here. Pull that one out from under it. Line it up on my lines here so that everything's lining up looking square here. shrink wrap stuff they put on these sometimes just doesn't want to cooperate. All right. So first things first, I want to make sure I'm going to transfer the size over onto this one here. Make sure I got it setting just right. Sitting right here. Okay, that's in that much. Right, and yep. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, got this sitting where I want it. I'm going to try something here I usually do with my dad's nailers. It works out good. We'll see if this works here. Come on. This thing here, safety thing doesn't want to. There we go. One there. One there. That one didn't catch. This one to catch. There we go. I need a better one on this side here, a little bit lower here. There it goes. All right, and I'll tap those in later after I get the next one put on here. Sometimes these gun things can be temperamental. Put it this way. So now I got to look underneath here to my drawing to make sure I got it lined up with it. Okay, that looks good. That looks good. Go ahead and put one over here on this corner. Back here to make sure this thing's still set. Just a little bit. There we go. Here. Okay, so there didn't go in all the way. There we go. There we go. One pedestal to go in under the tree. Not everything goes as planned all the time, but this will do it. This will keep it up. And what I'll do is when we set the tree up on it, we put the skirt around underneath here. We can actually put up here between the legs of the tree, we can put 4 of the little ceramic houses we have for the village. So I'm going to take this into the house now and get it set up. But remember, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Even if you measure wrong, you got to measure again. Don't go out and do anything stupid, foolish, especially in these weird times. Most important of all, keep on adding to your preps. Whether it's a good tool, and I'll leave the link for this up here, or whether it's whatever you need to get, whatever supplies you need, food, water, medicines, other devices and stuff, prep now, get them in stock, all right?